Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start up our 69 C10 4-wheel drive here for you. Runs really nice. We got a 2-stick transfer case in front and rear. You can see the gauges. It's cold. I just got it out with 50 pounds of oil pressure. You can see the radio working over there. See the there's your indicator. These probably need some work on the blinkers. The way it looks like they work, but sure needs a new switch. We replaced so many of them, it's crazy. No horn, and like I said, the heater fan needs new controls. But power steering, power brakes, got headers on it. Motor's been painted. I don't know if it's been rebuilt or not. I don't have any paperwork, but it sure runs good. Got a newer style dipstick. There's the custom headlights. And a good sounding truck. So if you're looking for cheap Shortbox 4-wheel drive, give me a call, 605-695-7391.